the first nice episode of Leggo Career Jamaica, featuring Uncle, cause I have a thing named Uncle Talks, and it's the first episode of Uncle Talks. On Uncle Talks, we got turned over to Uncle Cooks, and Uncle Cooks, where Uncle cook with Bree Black, Bree. So Mama Bree, Bree Blackwood. Tell them about yourself, Mama.
24. I'm a chef. I recently started working at the Warehouse Cafe that's on 17 Lindsay Crescent, right across from my call. We serve waffles, shrimp scampi.
It's rich.
Yeah, only for money, but it's worth it. It's worth it. And it's also a little warehouse, so you can stop in, get some drinks, and then you can actually have something to eat as well.
Well,
Yeah.
you know, it's really a fancy one, so about them shrimp scampi.
Shrimp.
Shrimp scampi.
Shrimp. Yeah,
Well, what them use that box food, curry gravy, fried chicken, and rice and beef, the $350. That's the only thing I've used. But Mama Bree, I must have found the lavishness looking nice, so I'm glad for you. So, Mama Bree, what you have to grade there?
Alright, today we're going to do a roast chicken basically with some calamari rice.
Jesus.
Yeah. Not too simple, not too hard, but a little bit of fancy. But you know, still going to taste good.
Alright, nice. So, what we got started now?
Alright, so we have the whole chicken here.
Alright, we have the whole chicken.
Whole chicken, right? And then we're just going to season it with some salt and pepper. Right, so all you need to do is just make sure you season it properly to get inside the bird.
Yeah, it's got food for season, cause I don't like when food tastes blah. It doesn't mean I say like a white people cook it. If it tastes everything in our food, if it tastes the salt, the black pepper, the scallion, the thyme, everything will taste.
Right, so what I basically did was made a marinade with some margarine, some lemon, the lemon juice and the peel, some onion, scallion, thyme, little bit of scotch bonnet, and some onion.
It's rich.
So it's going to pour it over it a little bit. And what you're going to do is going to break the skin under the bird, which is the fat layer right here. Just need to get under it. You need to break the skin and you need to gently, very gently prod through the fat so that you can get under the skin. So when you do that now, when you bake it, all the flavor is on the chicken itself and not on the skin only. And you season the chicken with it. So basically what you do is stuff up bird.
So after every pan, I'll just touch it up on carousel.
Yeah.
What else I do next now? Cause this look really nice already, cause I don't know.
Yeah, you're just going to stuff it with some more lemon, some more scallion, and we have callaloo, so I'm going to try to stuff that with it as well, and put it into a nice container. So all I do now is just rubbing up the bird, make sure it's nice and it's seasoned, not too much. Still want to get the flavor, you know, to overpower it and everything.
So can I get a rubbing? I'm sure you can.
No, you're not gonna feel it, my bird.
You're not gonna feel it up. Alright, no problem. No, don't touch it. If she said no, don't do it. Don't touch it. She said no. Alright, my ear, mama, my ear.
Alright, so you can put some of the onion under the skin.
Yeah.
Alright. Not too much so you don't want it to break.
The skin.
Alright.
Hey, man, learn.
Alright, and then you just put some onion in there.
Yeah.
Then you take the lemon that you have,
Yeah.
press it in a 4 quarters, and you just stuff it.
Wow. But why you gotta take good lemon now? We could use and make lemonade and put in our chicken. Why?
No, you can do that, but lemon is nice because even though it has that bit of flavor,
Yeah.
it goes really well with chicken and any kind of seafood that you have.
Okay.
So lemon is good with anything.
Alright.
And it's a very nice flavor that you can get in this different. And plus it's a different thing and it's in season, so
Yeah, the
might
tree.
as well.
Might as well. Yeah. So you got stuff with the idalo, you know.
Yeah, with the callaloo.
Idalo.
Whichever one you want.
The idalo.
Whichever one you want to call it, boss. Alright, so you have some of the leftover marinade.
Yeah.
And you pour it on the callaloo.
Yes.
So you just Rub it up with it. Stuff it. So this will cook inside when it's in the oven as well.
Yeah.
So you just stuff it up real nice. Now if I had a string, I'd just
Tied up.
cross our legs, cross our hands,
Yeah.
and just make sure it's nice and secure, and just bring her in the oven.
Okay, so just tie her up. You know, so enough of them nowadays girls love the tie up thing, you know. So they can try it up on a chicken. You see me I say? Just tie her up. Tie. Yeah. You see me I say? So much you like.
Alright. So now that the chicken is ready,
Yeah.
we're just going to put it in the oven on a very high heat.
Place chicken in oven that has been set at 200 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove from oven, baste with chicken juices and glaze. Place back in oven on 180 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Once chicken has a golden brown color, turn off oven and leave chicken in it for additional 10 minutes. You don't know everything can nice and even out. I eat. Alright, so we just watch everything go on right now. So it's gonna take 50 minutes for all of the niceness to get Lego niceness.
Other people wash their rice in a bowl. I wash my rice in a strainer because it's just easier and it saves me less stress.
Marty, a question. Are the plastic rices?
No, the rice you give me some meat for ask you that.
Well, people, another plastic rice. God's doing it. God's doing it. God's doing it. We don't know. We are open for it. So I wash the rice to the color of the rice now.
Yeah.
Alright, that is good. This part of the cooking show, the uncle cooks, the uncle talks, the Bree Blackwood. We're going to put in the rice, but the color of the rice. We're going to hot the fire first. If the fire don't hot, the food can't cook. You see what I said? We're going to start putting the rice right now. Nice. That is good. So right now, just take your time and just, you know, put all of the rice in the pot. That is good. Yeah.
Alright, so basically, you have to season the rice. You season normal color though. Right, you have the onion, you have the garlic. Right?
Yeah.
You put some thyme in there.
Time like what time?
A nice herbaceous thyme, sir. What do you get from the ground?
Oh, that is good.
And you have it all.
Yeah. So how long did all of this take to prepare? Half hour. Alright. So, yeah.
Then you add your
Margarine,
butter,
yeah.
your margarine, whichever one you prefer, whichever one you have. So then do the same thing. Right, and you just mix it in, put a
Yeah.
little bit of salt. You like pepper, you can add pepper to it.
Okay.
Stir it up,
Yeah.
and then once it starts to come to a boil,
Mm-hmm.
you just turn on low heat and just make it go and simmer down. And you go.
We are going gram in the place. We don't have a cover, so let's use a next. Just keep it real, keep it home. You see what I'm saying? Now go to the door, go borrow Miss Mavis pot cover. Just can use your own pot. You see what I'm saying? Alright. So this is the preparation for the glaze. So, onion.
Alright, so onions, and we have our lemons. This will actually go on top of the chicken.
Yeah.
Once you start to glaze it. So you're going to get the lemons and you're going to slice them thinly. Right. You're going to put them in the glaze. Four scoopers, which is roughly a cup and a half of sugar. Right.
Oh.
So after that, we're going to add the onions. Alright. So I don't know this much. Okay.
Yeah.
So we just gonna let that melt down.
Oh, this is looking wonderful.
Add some lemon juice. Add a little salt.
Yeah.
Add some thyme. More basil. And then when you have a little bit of the leftover marinade from the chicken and stuff, add that in there as well.
Okay, so you're putting the marination sauce on.
If you have any leftover, put that in there.
So
That's you.
nothing too hard, very simple. Kind of look at Tom, nothing serious at all, nothing serious.
So we're just going to do a passion juice, simple passion juice, from 6 passion or so.
Yeah.
And then put some ginger, and then you're just going to blend it out just to loosen up the seeds.
Yeah.
Then you're just going to strain it and put some sugar in it, some lime juice or so.
This is a nice little juice to drink while you eat it now.
Chicken now, right? So you just go like this, and you just spread it all over it. Right? So like that. Then you get your lemon peels, just put it like that, right over it. And you pour some more of the glaze over it. All the juices that you would normally see from a whole chicken is at the bottom, so it's all good. So once you take out the chicken, you just use that back as your gravy. Alright, so this is the final product. We have a simple caldo rice, garnish it with raisins, then you have a passion fruit drink, then you have the main attraction, the bowl roasted chicken. It's lemon and thyme glazed chicken, and you just glaze it with a simple sugar glaze, not too fancy. It's very easy, and it was stuffed with callaloo and onions and Jamaican ingredients. So yeah.
Alright, so there you have it, people. Uncle Talks, aka Uncle Bree. And right now, you see the niceness, you see the talent, you see the brand, you see the art. Leggo Career! Alright, the brand is strong, the art is strong, the talent is strong. Alright.